Are you considering adding rope climbs to your workouts, but you're unsure about what the best beginner progressions for rope climbing are? If that's the case, then in this video, I'm going to share with you the 4 best rope climbing beginner progressions. And at the very end of the video, I'm going to share with you the basic requirements that will be good for you to have checked off before you move on to rope climbs. So make sure to stick around. So in part 1 of this series, we're going to go through all of the 4 main beginner progressions, and we're just gonna quickly run them through. So if all you want to do is to find out what the progressions are and move on with your life, then this video has got you covered. So the first progression is going to be leg assisted rope climbs. So like the name suggests, you're going to be starting in a squat position and then assist with your legs as you climb yourself up. Progression number 2 is going to be bent hip seated rope climbs. So here you're going to be starting in a seated position. So you're going to be sitting with your legs straight and your hips bent, and you're going to be sort of halfway assisting with your legs as you climb yourself all the way up, and then you're going to come all the way down as well. Progression number 3 is going to be negative horizontal climbs. So here you're going to be starting in a standing position, keep your body completely straight, and then only do the negative part of the lift. So you're only going to be lowering yourself to the ground until you're completely laying flat on the ground, and then you're going to stand up and start all over again. And hey, if you get some value from this video, then why don't you go ahead and subscribe to the channel right there for more similar videos in the future. Progression number 4 is going to be full horizontal rope climbs. So here you're going to be starting in a laying down position with your body completely straight, and you're going to be climbing yourself all the way up and coming all the way down. So you're going to be adding the concentric part of the movement and the eccentric part of the movement. And progression number 5, which isn't actually a beginner progression anymore, is going to be full rope climb. So here you're going to be having your legs completely straight and only lifting with your upper body. So that could be your long-term goal in mind. Now, the basic requirements I recommend for you to have checked off the list before you move on to rope climbs is going to be 6 clean and controlled chin-ups. Now that's mainly just because rope climbs are going to be significantly harder than chin-ups will be. So you need some amount of a basic upper body pulling strength before you move on to rope climbs. And that's actually all the requirements you need in my opinion. So those are the 4 main beginner progressions for rope climbing. Now if you want to see more detailed breakdowns of these progressions, then I highly recommend that you continue on with the series. That's it for this video guys, hope you found it helpful. If you got some value from this video, then please go ahead and leave this video a like, it's highly appreciated, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to build a warrior body with primal training. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.